In this video, I'm going to show you how to repost a story on Instagram that you are not tagged in. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Instagram application and then open some story. And on Instagram, you don't have ability to repost that story if you are not tagged in that story. So I got for you very nice decision. Once you open a story, you just, let's find picture, you just make a screenshot of that page on iPhone 11 and above, 11, 12, 13, 14. To make a screenshot, you need to tap on power button and volume up button at the same time, just once. And then you can edit that screenshot as you want. You can crop it from the bottom and then crop it from the top. Then tap done, save that image to photos, and now you can tap plus, select story and add that photo from your gallery and edit that story as you normally would. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.